Hi, my name is Valerie Meekum, and the Honeybee Conservation is my nonprofit website. The main purpose for this website is to promote donations for the conservation efforts for honeybees. Interestingly, 25% of bee species are at risk for extinction. Recently, beekeepers reported 60% of their honeybee colonies dying off. This is not just a couple hundred bees. We're talking tens of thousands at one time dying. My husband is a beekeeper and has experienced this problem, so given the chance, I wanted to learn a little more. In considering the design for the website, I wanted the users to feel as though they were in a garden. As my target audience is people who own their own gardens and enjoy working in their yards, I felt that they would best value this information and would contribute to the cause. I used colors and images to make this site bright and open. The different sections are divided up by why bees, about us, bee benefits, and donations. Why bees, in this first section here, introduces the user to the problem and why there needs to be efforts made to help the honeybee. About us is this section here. This section goes through all the different reasons why the Honeybee Conservation is so passionate about this cause. The honeybee emergency goes over through the problem with some scientific facts and numbers. Me and the Bee invokes a connection between you and the bee. It answers the question, why do bees matter to me? And Give More, Be More goes over the efforts made to help the bees and where the contributions go. The next section is bee benefits. It continues to help users see the value of helping the bee. As we all know, bees pollinate plants, allowing it to produce fruits, flowers, and vegetables, as well as the amazing ability to make honey. And one thing that I would like to learn a little bit more about is the health benefits of beeswax. Finally, I wanted to have an eye-catching element that reminds users how much we rely on bees, and surprisingly, honeybees are the only thing that pollinates almonds. So those farmers value the bees as much, probably the most. And then finally, the donation box allows users to put in their name, their email, and the amount that they want to contribute. And then they get a little message once they do. Now the mobile is similar to the desktop. It kind of goes, I'm going to go through kind of the challenges that I've gone through in making this website as I go through this, the mobile site. I think one of the biggest challenges that I faced was working with the two screen sizes, trying to make the headings and the margins set the way that I wanted them. But once I remembered to use the media queries, it was easy. Maybe I should have just remembered to go through my notes first and to go through the CSS assignments. That made a big difference. Anyways, it was fun to learn something new about a nonprofit organization and to learn and create a website. Thanks for watching.